This is a cape used for barbers or hairdressers too, and it is reusable and waterproof as well, and very easy to use and covers the body a lot, and also very easy to adjust. Let me show you a close-up. This is how you put it on. As you can see, there's two clips. You attach the first one here, and then you attach the next one here. Perfect. So if somebody has a bigger neck or a smaller neck, you can adjust it. This is perfect for children as well as adults, men or women too. Very easy to use, and I definitely recommend it for professional barbers and hairdressers or for home use as well, just like we are. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.